It is me, Sakina and Wynand van Vuuren, the client experience partner at King Price Insurance. And today we're going to elaborate a little bit further on our home contents insurance. So we previously had a chat about portable possessions, and you mentioned that not all items are covered under my home contents. So today I want to know, firstly, what is covered under my home contents insurance?
So that's an interesting one. People sometimes don't know what should be included in your house contents cover now that you've got insured now with your insurer. So the explanation that I always give is if you could take your house and you turn it upside down, everything that can fall out must be included under your cover. You can't exclude items if you haven't informed your insurer about that. Everything must be included also in the insured value. And that includes loose carpets, paintings, those rifles in the safe, jewelry items, everything that you have in your house must be included.
Okay, so when you talk about jewelry items, we previously mentioned that if a value of an item exceeds a certain amount, that it must be specified on your policy. Is that correct? It doesn't necessarily fall under your home content.
Yes, we've discussed now the portable possessions that you might carry with you outside your house. Remember that for those incidents that happens outside your property, that's not covered under your contents cover. Go and read your policy document. Make sure if there's items of a certain value that might be requirement to be kept in a safe, that you know all of that and that you comply therewith.
Okay, awesome. So then how do I determine, if you're saying I turn my house upside down, and everything that falls out is my home contents, how do I determine the value?
Another interesting one. So you got these couches from your mom 30 years ago. What is the value for which you need to insure it? So you need to take all those items. I always say make an inventory of every area. Make sure that all the items are included there, and the value must be the replacement value for today. So those couches, what are they going to cost to replace today? Everything in your house like that on the inventory list, and all of that together must be the value that you insure your contents for.
Okay, and then does my insurer give me this inventory list, or do I just create one myself?
You can ask them. King Price do give an inventory that you can complete to make sure that, in every area you've included everything. Okay. But make your own, make sure that you've got all the items listed there. I also take photos. You might have items which was purchased very long time ago. You don't have any proof of that anymore. Make sure that you take a photo, take the serial number and the model, then you know exactly what you had, and go and have a look what is the replacement for that today. If you can't find that specific item anymore, it will be, what's equivalent to that. Make sure that you get that value on your list.
Okay, awesome. And then I wanted to find out, so when we spoke about other insurance cover options, we mentioned third-party liability. Is that included under my home contents insurance?
That is included. I'll always have it included on mine. Then if anyone comes onto your property, they get hurt, or there's any other thing that happens there, an incident that occurs for which you are legally liable, then you also enjoy that cover. It's very nice to have that peace of heart.
Okay, and is that automatically included with your insurance cover, or does it matter, or is it determined from insurer to insurer?
That's determined from insurer to insurer. Most insurance will include that for you under your contents cover. So make sure you have it in place, and then you can go and have a look and see what's the limit of indemnity also, what is covered specifically under that, and you can compare the insurance with different insurance companies with one another.
Okay, awesome. And then when it comes to my home contents insurance, say for example, I value all my items and I realize that, oh my word, maybe the amount that I have told my insurer is a bit less. What happens in that instance?
So when you're going to have a claim, they're going to see, so you've only insured yourself, for example, for R1 million, but the value of your total property is 2 million rand. So then they're going to pay you the pro rata amount of your claim. Say you had a loss of 100,000 rand, you're now only covered for 50,000 rand of that amount. So therefore, you should never be underinsured. Contents insurance is relatively cheap, so make sure that you've got the full value of all your items and that you're insured for the correct value.
That's where the inventory list comes in, right?
Very handy.
When you itemize your items, then you know exactly what it is that you should insure the collector for under your home contents. That was really informative. Thank you so much, Rainy.
Pleasure, Sakina.